Hey, it's Owen and this is my channel, Owen Says Go. This morning we're in Ohakune, close to Mount Ruapehu. We've grabbed ourselves a couple of e-bikes and we are hitting the old coach road. It's a 20k cycle. It takes you past some old viaducts, a couple of tunnels, and we should see some interesting sights. Let's go. First stop on the trail is this beautiful old railway viaduct behind me. Pretty cool. Man, how cool is this, huh? I'm trying to film myself. It's gonna be so bumpy. Oh, that's beautiful. That's the new railway line over there, and that's the old one over there that we're about to go over. It's really lovely, this forest, really pretty. Heading into the tunnel. Hello! Woo! Haha! Well, that was good timing. There goes the train. Cool, that was an easy kind of 3-hour leisurely cycle. With the e-bikes it was very easy. Plenty of turbo boost assist on the hills. And now we've pulled back into Ohakune, gotten a beer from the powder keg. Owen says go to Ohakune. Yeah, impressive, eh? Look at this cool guy, he's lovely.
Yeah, I saw that, really nice.
Oh, great, thanks. Yes.
We did. The bike survived as well.
Fall over. Whenever we're in Ohakune, we like to stop at Toasty and grab one of their famous toasties. I've gone for the quint, which is basically tuna and jalapeno. And Lee's got
Sauerkraut and pastrami.
Pastrami, pickles. Another favorite stop here in Ohakune is the potato and carrot store. It's got a little honesty box, and these are the tastiest carrots in New Zealand. Ohakune is famous for their carrots.